Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to change the object style or alter it in our view template. Then we'll compile complete PDF file for our project. So let's start. Let's print or export to the PDF file. For this, first step is you have to check this thin line. If it's on, you have to make it off by clicking it, or you can press TL from keyboard. And then each and every view, check the object styles. It's very crucial to check the object styles. For example, if I go to the site plan, and now you can see some lines are thick and some are very thin, so we have to manage those. So in this view, I can see this line is very thick, sorry, and this is also very thick. So what can I do? I can change it by using the object style. And for this, double click this to enter in the view, and then double V, visibility graphics, and from here go to the object styles. And now here you can see there are different categories and you can change the line weight of each category. Projection is the surface area and cut is the where the section is cutting the plane. And then you can change the color and you can change the pattern and material also, but we will stick to the line weight. We'll change the line weight. So we'll find topo solid for this view, press T, then here you can see topo solid and plus sign you can see here, and from here see the primary contours. This is projection is 6, line weight and also cut is 6. So I will change it to maybe 3 or 2, also this one 3. Okay, and we will apply. Okay, then okay. Now here you can see the line weight of this line and the primary contours like these are changed in this view. You can observe other things if you want to change, but this is fine for this view. So to come out, I will double click outside. This view is done. Now we'll move forward to another view, ground floor plan. Here I will observe which line weight is more or less, and then I will change it accordingly. So I will double click and observe carefully what I need here. Here the line weight of furniture is bit high, so I will double V and check the object style of furniture F. This is 3, so I can make it 2 or 1. I will make it 1, and then okay. And now you can see the lines are thin now. You can observe more and change accordingly, and then double click outside. And then I will go to another view, ground floor legends. This is fine for me, or you can change the furniture or other thing you want. Next, ground working plan. Here you can see it is fine, and if we double click, this dimension tick line is much thicker. So to change this, we can't go to the object styles. We will click it, go to the edit type. From here, tick mark line weight is 5. So I'll make it 3. Then apply and then okay. This is fine. And double click outside. If there are more than one dimension type, we have to change it accordingly. Now move to another one, this elevations. So for elevations, you can make a template. If you change one, then you can change the other by applying the template. But we have already the template for these elevations. So what we have to do is double click it. You can go to the view and view templates, manage view templates, and from here select elevations and select this elevation. Okay, Go to this override model, go to the object style, and from here you can change anything you want. If you change anything, it will be changed into all the elevations. For example, if you want to make the walls to 3, you can, and then apply, okay, then okay, and okay, and it will be applied to all the elevations because we have made the template and we have edited the template. Okay, and now same for these elevations, we have already changed it. If you want to change something, you can change according to the template. Now go to the section. For the section, this is the same thing. We have to edit the template. So go to the view template, manage templates, and from here select elevation section, and from here select the sections, and from visibility graphics change the object style, color, or line weight, whatever you want, and then apply it. It will be applied to all the sections. Okay, and then okay, we have another section here. Now we have those schedules. For those schedules, there is no need to change the visibility graphics. You have to check the dimensions. If we see dimension decline is much thicker, so again click it, edit type, and from here make it 3 is fine, apply, and okay, and then double click outside. Same for windows, we don't need to check these lines because these lines are fine. You have to check the dimension, but it is fine for me. And then 3D cut view, you can change this view according to whatever you want, you need it. So this is fine for me, no need to change. So all object styles, all line weights are ready. Beyond line weight, you can change the colors and many more things in the object style, but this is for the beginners, so I will stick to the objects line weight only. Now our next step is to make the PDF file for printing, final printing. So we have to compile all the sheets in one PDF. For this, it's very easy. You have to just follow the steps. What we will do, we'll go to the file, from here export to PDF. And now from here select this, select views and sheets, and from here select this pencil, and you have to add the views. So uncheck 2D view, uncheck 3D view, only all sheets, and from here check this one, press shift and check last one. So you can see it is already in the order 0, 1, 2, 3. We don't need to check the order. If you want to check the order, edit print order, you can see you can change it accordingly if you want, but this is fine. And okay, and now select, and now we have to do is here you can change the name, small house project, this is fine for me. You can change the location here, and from here page size, you can change the page size according to, but it will select it automatically, so no need. I'll select it from here. It is very crucial step to make it zoom 100%, so it will make the sheet 100% in the PDF file. So another thing is vector processing in raster. I will prefer the raster, it will give a good quality. From here colors and raster quality, high or presentation, or you can choose any one. And here another thing is hide unreferred view tags. You have to check this one. It will hide all the tags that are not being used in your project. If you're not imported into the sheets, it will not show it. That's a very good part of it. So that's it for the setting, and we will just export. Yes, save it. Now it's done. we'll see view files, and then small house project. I will click it, and now you can see here this is first, second. Along with that, you can observe the object style also. Next one is this is looking very nice. And this is now working plan, elevations, sections here. These are the door schedules, window schedule, and our cut 3D view. So that's it. Practice in your own way to create more realistic printing sheets. So thank you so much.